Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how you can get paid with Deel. Deel is a global payroll and HR platform that makes it easy for companies to hire and pay employees around the world. I've been using Deel for a while now, and I've found it to be a really valuable tool. It's helped me to save time and money, and it's given me peace of mind knowing that my employees are being paid correctly and on time. In this video, I'm going to cover the following topics. What is Deel? How does Deel work? What are the benefits of using Deel? How to get started with Deel? What is Deel? Deel is a global payroll and HR platform that makes it easy for companies to hire and pay employees around the world. Deel handles all of the administrative tasks associated with payroll, including tax compliance, benefits administration, and time tracking. How does Deel work? Deel works by acting as a middleman between your company and your employees. You create an account with Deel and provide them with your company's information. Deel then creates accounts for your employees and sets up their payroll information. Once your employees are set up, you can simply submit their timesheets to Deel. Deel will then process the payroll and pay your employees directly. What are the benefits of using Deel? There are a number of benefits to using Deel, including saves time and money. Deel handles all of the administrative tasks associated with payroll, so you don't have to worry about it. Peace of mind. Deel ensures that your employees are being paid correctly and on time. Global reach. Deel supports employees in over 150 countries. Easy to use. Deel's platform is easy to use and navigate. How to get started with Deel? Getting started with Deel is easy. Simply sign up for a free account on their website. Once you've created an account, you can add your company's information and start hiring employees. Deel is a great tool for companies that want to hire and pay employees around the world. It's easy to use, affordable, and provides peace of mind knowing that your employees are being paid correctly and on time. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this.